I don't know which palm oil you want me to get because you is so particular. And I just don't know which one that you want me to get. But I don't know what that is. Palm Kennel. And you do not like the one by Nina. So I'm just like, this is the other ones that they had. So I don't know what you want me to get. But okay, I will try to figure it out. This will say the ground egusi right here. So, and then they got them over here, the jollof rice, and I guess it's soup mix. And they got your ground crayfish. But I see this is the one that you got before. So I think I'm gonna get this one. I don't know if you want me to get this one. They got the Bengal spice up in here. The pepper soup seasoning right here. So pepper soup stew. I think this is the only one. This one here is $4.99. So I don't know which one you want me to get, but then they also got the Bengal spice right here and this one. And then too they got the suya seasoning too. Suya, and then they got the Nigerian suya right here. And this one say ground hot pepper. And this one say ground hot peppers as well, the chilies. But anyway, they got a great variety of things up in here. I'm in here to Nora's African Groceries. So I'm gonna see what all she got up in here. Cause I couldn't get some palm oil, the egusi, and some pepper soup. So let's see. Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Good, and you? Cameroon pepper. So check the stuff that I bought from the African store. That's not from the African store. Bring it out. Bring it out.
That's bread. Okay. Pepper soup spice. Some more egusi and the palm oil. Did you see crayfish?
Huh?
Did you see crayfish?
Are you out of crayfish?
Yeah, almost out.
Ah.
looking meaty. What? The meat is looking meaty, man.
In here, frying chicken, about to make pepper chicken again. Excuse me. And this is what my son made. So my husband has taught him how to even make the fried rice. So now I'm just here. I'm trying to get done so he can put the pepper and stuff on the chicken so we can, and we're gonna do some pepper pork chops as well. So this is gonna be our dinner for tonight. Are you gonna eat plantain tonight, Tuba? You wanna eat plantain tonight? Okay.
The feel of what eba looks like.
Mm-hmm.
And eba is very simple to make. Just hot water, you pour your gari and you
I said you making eba out of gari.
Yes, no, you make eba out of gari. So this is not fufu.
No.
Like people say, oh, you are eating fufu? No.
And it ain't pounded yam
Yeah,
either.
it's not pounded yam.
Because I've made pounded
So
yam
eba
before.
is different. You know, this is something you can drink.
And you can, I'm about to say,
When you put
can interchange
cold
it.
water with it, it's like, you know, you have your Oreos and your cornflakes.
Yes.
You can use a gari as cornflakes. You just put the gari inside a bowl, put milk, add a little bit of sugar. You can even put peanuts.
Okay, well, come on, get on with the process.
Eat. But when you use hot water,
This looks like grits.
Right.
yeah, like grits, yeah. Correct.
Exactly.
When I had the grit, I was thinking it's the same with this
Okay, well, come on now.
because they have the same taste. But